Okay, thank you very much. So I try to make it quick. So I would like to report the Japan situation. So so I would like to first review the briefly introduce the Japanese the advanced bioimaging support activity. That is the concept of this activity is almost the same, similar to the EoBioimaging as well as the Global BioImaging. So this activity provides the advanced microscope and imaging instrument to the general other people and access to this instrument, and as well as they provide a training activity as well as image data analysis activity. But different from the EoBioimaging and Global BioImaging, there is no image data management activity, so for this purpose, our SSBD science database activity is joining. So, and this is established from the different funding, and we are developing the data, added value database as well as the repository service. So, and we are closely working with the ABiS, and I'm actually the one of the member of the ABiS. So, and so in total, we have the similar total setup of the Global BioImaging and EoBioimaging. So, and this is a catch up of the last year's achievement, and so I just briefly go through. But so we have several good number of the service already, and it's a almost a certain level. So, and similarly to the last year, so it's already going to some level. So, and it's successful. So. And this is the introduction of the ABiS. And so regarding the pre-publication image data, so we asked, I asked several representatives in this activity. So I will point out the several questions. And is there any centralized information management system in the ABiS? And the answer is not. So this is only for the application management. That is only centralized, and no centralized system for taking management of the image data. So, and the image data management and the image data transfer is done by each team, each site. And the data transfer, so that they are using the hard disk, the physically transferring the hard disk, not sending using the cloud system or others, and usually. So, and sometimes they use a Dropbox or some institutional file transfer system. And metadata, so usually, so they are using the saving the original data of the microscopy company, and it includes much amount of the metadata to save that. And but experimental setting information, that is basically written in a notebook or something, and just physically sending an email or a document. This is a very classical way. And whole process management, that is only done by experimental notebook of each staff. So, and this is the situation. So, and so possible improvement of this situation is maybe they want to have some the cloud system or data transfer managing system to efficiently circulating the data, and also the management system, project management system or something, and also the secure data storage system that is necessary. And also there are other important problems. It's always happening in Japan, but the manpower is not enough. And also there are some know-how is accumulated or taken, but there is no system to distribute or share such kind of know-how. So that is another problem. So this can be solved. And so the SSBD database data management things. So SSBD databases, you try to get the original data, but sometimes some people lost the original data. That is maybe necessary to the upgrade. And also the metadata. So sometimes they have difficulty in getting the desirable metadata. So, and the possible improvement. So we need to set up some data management system in the project itself. So, and we already invited several projects to dealing with the internal data management. So such kind of activity can improve this problem. So, and also we are discussing about the workflow management. So, and we discussed with the OME ideal team. So, and maybe this will help the better management of the metadata workflow. And we are going to establish the Japan-wide data management data system. So in the near future, possibly. Okay, so I've summarized the Japan situation. In ABiS Japan, so there is no central system for the pre-publication data management, and the data transfer is done mostly by physical transfer by hard disk, and the metadata is obtained is old-fashioned way. So sometimes they lost the original data or the metadata. So maybe we need to solve that. And so one of the solutions is our data management team is actually involved in each project. That is one solution, and maybe we will develop the workflow management system to make it better and through the international collaboration. So I'd like to thank the people who are collaborating with making this summarization. So, and thank all of them. So, and that is the Japan situation. Thanks.